Hi everyone, we're SuperGamerGeeks. My name's Callum and this is Gary. We're going to be talking to you about the new Windows 10 upgrade. It's not out yet, but it's been announced yesterday at a Microsoft event that it will be coming at some point this year, we imagine.
Yep, autumn I think is the current.
Yep. Yeah, it's normally, I reckon it'll be out in October. That's when they normally release it. So around that sort of time. Really interesting stuff came out in the event yesterday. Probably the most notable bit was that it's free for the first year for all Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 users to
I'm
upgrade.
going to correct you there. It's actually Windows 8.1. It's been confirmed that it's free. We haven't actually mentioned Windows 7 or Windows 8 yet.
You see, there's loads of people saying it's for Windows 7 as well.
Right, they said that you can upgrade from Windows 7 directly to Windows 10. Unlike something like Windows XP where you'd probably have to reformat and then reinstall. But they haven't actually said it's free. It's only free for Windows 8.1.
Okay.
Well, I guess there is to get people buying PCs now, where you'd get it with Windows 8.1, knowing that next year you can, or later this year, sorry, you can
get a free upgrade.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a little bit of a oops, sorry for sticking you with Windows 8 as well, because I hated Windows 8.
Yeah, well, they're getting
It's
not
horrible.
totally rid of the tile interface, but they're going back to all the standard start menu and all that.
Yeah, which I don't get why they got rid of in the first place.
Yeah.
I don't know. But the features that it's coming with are really interesting.
Yeah, some interesting ones for gamers, particularly in comparison with SteamOS, which I think is where it's trying to shoot down.
Yeah, they're trying to compete there, aren't they? Because, what is it? It's that Xbox One. You can play on any tablet or phone over wireless connection or the same network connection.
Yeah, definitely PC, laptop and tablets. I'm not too sure about phones. Obviously, PlayStation can do it with their Xperia, so...
Yeah, but they're usually just using it as a screen, and then they've got that adapter that you can fit the screen onto, yeah.
So maybe Xbox will be doing something similar there.
Yeah, maybe. It wouldn't surprise me if they did, because it kind of makes sense that they would.
Yeah.
The other really important, the most important one coming out is the new DX12 interface for games and stuff like that. That's going to be brilliant because it's 50% increase in power performance, yet like a 50% decrease in energy efficiency, or a 50% increase in energy efficiency.
Well, they said up to, so we'll have to wait and see.
I reckon that'll be on select graphics cards or, you know, select chipsets where they'll
and select games that have been specifically programmed for it.
Yeah, exactly. But it's still interesting because what they're doing with the DX12 API is basically making it so that the OS doesn't have as much impact on the gaming resources. So you should have more resources available for gaming, which is brilliant because you're going to be able to do a lot more with your graphics card. You're not going to have to worry about, you know, do I need a bigger graphics card? Do I need more memory? Do I need a bigger processor? Because it'll have that much.
Well, yeah, it's learning from the Xbox One, I think, with its crippled graphics pipeline. And...
Yeah, but saying that, the original Xbox had the same sort of pipeline system, and that worked fine. It's just a case of, like I was saying, the graphics are going to get there eventually. You just got to give it time and all the rest of it. Yeah. It's just PlayStation's there already and has been from the moment it was released.
Yeah.
And
so now, hopefully, with Windows 10, they're going to kind of play a bit of catch up. And
yeah.
They're also bringing out Fable Legends, which is an Xbox One game, but they're actually bringing it to PC. And obviously, rumours are going around now are other franchises going to appear. Is Halo going to appear on it? Is Gears of War?
Well, yeah. It makes sense, doesn't it?
It's another way to sell Windows 10 to people that are upset because, hey, you don't need an Xbox One, you can give you some of the same games.
You've got Cortana as well, which is like the Siri equivalent for Windows.
Yeah.
So that's going to be interesting. So like Halo fans are like, I got Cortana on my PC and my tablet.
And it's going to be available in several languages, including a Yoda mode, which is currently not kind of working perfectly. Hopefully by the time of launch.
Yoda mode.
Yeah.
Awesome. I didn't hear that at all. That's going to be amazing. I think that's it. I think we've said everything we need to say about that.
Hopefully they're going to do well with it at least. We need a laptop platform that works well. Apple's been doing quite well, but obviously isn't quite as popular as
Apple's
Windows.
Really good for the mobile journalist or mobile user because they are so light and portable. They don't have any gaming machines at all.
No, so hopefully here with Windows we can have
Yeah.
a new contender for the consoles to deal with.
Yes,
Laptop
should be
one.
good. You've been watching Super Gamer Geeks. Check us out on Twitter at SuperGamerGeeks. And I've been your host, Callum. This is Gary. And we'll see you later.
Subscribe!